We'll guide you through how to fix DaVinci Resolve lag and get your editing back on track. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and go to the Preferences menu. You can find this by clicking on DaVinci Resolve in the top left corner and selecting Preferences from the dropdown. Once you're in the Preferences window, switch to the Memory and GPU tab. Make sure your GPU is set to Metal if you're using a Mac, or CUDA if you're on Windows with an NVIDIA card. This ensures that DaVinci Resolve uses your graphics card efficiently. Next, increase the amount of memory allocated to Resolve. You can do this by adjusting the sliders under Memory Configuration, ensuring that DaVinci has more RAM to work with, which can significantly reduce lag. Then, close the Preferences window and go to the Playback menu at the top. Here, make sure Proxy Mode is enabled and set it to half or quarter. This will lower the resolution of your playback, improving performance without affecting the final render quality. Additionally, you can use Optimized Media by going to File, then Project Settings, and navigating to the Optimized Media and Render Cache tab. Set the Optimized Media resolution to half or quarter, and the Optimized Media format to ProRes 4:2 or DNx HRLB, depending on your system's compatibility. After that, right-click on your clips in the media pool and select Generate Optimized Media. This step creates lower-resolution versions of your clips, making them faster to work with during editing. Finally, consider closing other applications running on your computer to free up resources for DaVinci Resolve. By following these steps, you should notice a significant improvement in performance and less lag during your editing sessions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.